Hi to all my diamonds, I'm back with another video. This video is how to do your own press-on nails at home, your own nails at home. I used these products to do my nails. I got my favorite nails, the Kiss acrylic nails press-on, my cuticle oil, my Gorilla Glue, which is my secret ingredient, my Dollartree foul, acetone, cuticle nippers. Now, I'm not sure about the nail art part. I don't know if I'm going to do nail art on them or not. My rhinestones, I know I want to add some bling. These are the polishes that I'm trying to debate on if I should use or not. I'm going to use one of these polishes. Make sure you watch it to the end so you can see which how I design my nails. My Seche V top coat, a couple of brushes to spread the super glue. All right, these are my nails. I have soak them off with acetone. Make sure you soak your nails off with acetone. Do not pop them off. I put my nails on with Gorilla Glue, so I don't want to pop these nails off. I soak them off. All right. So now I'm cleaning my nail beds with the alcohol. Make sure you clean all your nail beds with the alcohol. That's to take the oil off. Now I'm applying the glue. If you haven't seen my previous videos on how I apply my nail tips, please watch them. It's going to be in the description below. I apply the super glue on my nail plate and on the press-on nail. That's the clue to keeping the nails on for long lasting. You have to put it on both parts, your nail bed and the actual nail. That's going to give you a long time frame, 2 to 3 weeks before my nails even popped off. These last nails, the purple nails, I had those on for over a month, and then I just decided to put another set on. So that's me putting glue on the tip, glue on my nails. Make sure you spread the glue out evenly with the little brush. And I'm just going on and on. I'm Gorilla Gluing the nails. I'm spreading them around with the brush to spread the glue through evenly. And I'm applying my press-on nails. Again, that's the only way to get these nails to last. This is my Dollar Tree nail file. This is what I use to file the edge of the tip around the cuticles. That's so it can give it a more natural look and it don't look like you got press-ons. So I'm just going ahead and I'm filing around my cuticle area, making sure I get all those, get it down to flesh with my cuticle. So nobody will know I got press on. Look like I went to the salon, honey. Yes, the salon. So I'm working my nail file. Now, I shaped these nails into a coffin shape. I wanted to try a new shape this week. So I shaped them into a coffin shape instead of square. So coffin shape is the shape that I'm going with these nails. So I'm just shaping them into a coffin shape right now. These nails are actually that strong that you are able to shape them. After you shape them into the coffin shape, you have to buff them. I always buff them to get a smooth finish. So I buff the nails after I shape them. Now I'm cleaning them off again with some alcohol pads. Alcohol and some paper towels is what I use to clean my nails off, because I'm about to apply my base coat and my polish. I like polishing my own tips because I can pretty much change the polish if I want. All right, I use my Seche V top coat as my base coat. So I'm going through and I'm polishing my nails with the Seche V top coat as my base coat because it gives my nails a really great shine. This is the polish I picked. It's a sheer pink polish by Poparazzi. I couponed this at CVS. And again, it's a really cute pink sheer beige color. Pinkish sheer color. Make sure you clean your cuticle. That's important. Clean around your cuticle so you can have a nice, clean, polished application. I use this glitter polish by Poparazzi also as one of the top coats that I put on my nails. With glitter, you kind of have to space them out. So make sure you space out the glitters on your nails to get them spaced out, and they kind of look like rhinestones. See how they kind of look like rhinestones? All right, so I'm spacing my glitters out. You just pretty much placing the glitter pieces places. Now this is my bling. This is my favorite part of doing nails, the bling part. Yes. So I use a crayon and I dip the nails out. now I apply, first I'm applying the nails on with the Gorilla Glue again because I don't want none of them to come off. So wherever you're going to place the rhinestones at, dip your paint brush in there, and that's where you're going to put the rhinestone at. This is me picking up the rhinestones with a Crayola. I use the crayon. So I use the crayon to pick up my rhinestones. I'm placing them. I added some glitter on my pinky nail. Okay, this is my Dollar Tree lotion. I wanted to try and see how this worked. That's why my nails look so rusty throughout the whole video. I can't take it, honey. So this stuff is thick and it's really good. It moisturizes your hand really good. If you can see how thick it is, it's really good. I liked it. It has a nice smell to it. And I'm just rubbing it all over my hands because I needed it. All right, this is my cuticle oil I also got from the Dollar Tree. Make sure you use cuticle oil at the end after you do all the filing, the buffing, the shaping, the alcohol. Your hands are dry, so make sure you use that on your cuticles, the cuticle oil. So I'm going through and putting it all on my cuticles. I needed it. Ooh. Help, honey, help. All right, after that is done, then it's time to take pictures, honey. Yes, look at those nails. Wow. I got rhinestones, I got glitter, I got a sheer polish. They turned out really good. I really never wear coffin nails, so this is really my first time trying coffin nails on press-on nails. So I tried it and I actually like it. Let me know how you feel about these nails in the comments. My press-on nails, I do them at home. I ain't never got to ever go back to a nail salon. Honey, the hell with a nail salon. Do your own nails at home and save some money. Money, honey. It's all about saving money. And I'm just admiring my nails. I'm taking pictures. And they just look so great. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Hecky now, Joe. It's Beauty Passion, and I'm out.